Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Xaman Wallet. So let's get straight into it. First, what you need to do is go to Play Store. If you have Android, if you have Apple, then go to the Apple Store. Then type in Xaman Wallet and hit install. Okay, so now that we installed this app to our device, then hit open like that and hit start button right over here. Now we will set up a passcode. So type in your combination which you know or prefer like that, and then hit OK and repeat that code, and after that click save. Okay, use Face ID or fingerprint. So if you have it, you can press yes, then put in your fingerprint. Enable push notification. If you want, you can do that. I will go maybe later. Now we have here some terms and conditions. Scroll down all the way to the end and then confirm like so. And basically we set up Xaman Wallet. So we are in. Now the second thing is what we can do is create a new account, or you can import an existing account. So I don't have account, I will create it. And yeah, now here you can choose write your account secret down now safer, and you can choose this fast onboarding risky. So let's go with that one. Okay. And then you have some important notes here, so you can write them, you can read them right here so that you don't forget. So never share your secret numbers, private key with someone else. If you do, you may lose access to your funds. So this is something that we all know probably are already like that. Now we have here some numbers to choose. So now I assume that you write down all the numbers that you get and save safely somewhere. So now what we have here, I need to confirm the numbers from the row A, and then now I need from the row B. So you will need to repeat all the numbers that you write down, and when you are ready, you will get public key, public address, then hit next, and I understand. So I will go with that one, standard. Account label, please enter a name for this account. So I will type in, for example, just the test, next, and congratulations. We set up the account. And like that, this is how you can set up Xaman Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.